The YouTube is live also. So let me alert my guys and tell them the YouTube is live also. Yeah, good morning to you. Oh. Now, I'm looking at this pair and I'm like, why not playing out the way you're supposed to? Okay. This is just UJ. UJ is a very important pair in trading. Me, okay, don't trade it, but I had someone who we were doing analysis, and he was trading, she was trading, alafu sasa sijui kama kilimramba aliingia mapema. I don't know, yeah, something like that, but risk was managed very well, and yeah, here we are. You can see I had this. I just used nothing else apart from supply and demand. Someone told me sometimes you don't use supply and demand. Trust me, you 90% of times is only pure supply and demand. I don't use anything out of the blues. Okay. Yes, I can involve other things, but not so much. Supply and demand is the backbone. Is the backbone of my trading, and so far I can't lie to you. Me, I don't have anything else to do apart from just giving you what I have. Okay, let me put this phone aside. It's distracting me now. So yeah, this is what we have for UJ, and this was simply a demand zone, and I expected the buy working. I was looking at gold, and I was like, no, gold has nothing. Gold has nothing for us until maybe during the end of the Asian session. Yeah, I'd like to see it here. Yeah, these are two demands. I had them from. Can you see? They're just two demands, nothing big. This one's supposed to be okay. So right there, yeah. These are just two demands, and this demand has been working out for one, two, three, more than three times. Now I want to see the price coming back here. Though market has shifted, the gold market has shifted, and it's respecting so much. Or it's respecting people's emotions more than actually fundamentals. You know why I'm saying that? Because tell me why we're in a war and gold is not moving. This has been my, how can I call it? This has been my long term, can I call it analysis or speculation? Gold to come out, then give a retest, go up. But it went out, broke out, gave a fake retest, and now it's coming down. So we're probably waiting to see what's gonna happen here. Okay, we just wanna see what's going to happen. What's going to happen here? Okay, so for now, if I get, let me show you how I do my scalps. Although the laptop is looks funny, I love using my phone during scalps. But now I look for. I said I'd change this gold. I want gold, a different gold, not this one from Boston. Let me show you how I do scalping. It's very simple. Can you see these things? Can you see how in 1 minute sometimes you get some good moves? Look at this. If price falls like this, you just know it has to fulfill that. Like it's normal. It's normal. It's pure set of imbalances. See, look at these things. It's so easy. Trading gold on 1 minute while scalping, it's so easy, but it requires a lot of patience, and you have to have mastered it. Okay, like today I know it is selling. Gold has been selling, so it just come to 1 minute, and this is what we do. Come to 1 minute, and anytime we get a retracement, if it just retraces back, sell. If it retraces back, sell. Sometimes I just do this, use fib, do that, wait for it somewhere here, drop now. Yeah, now that's how I get my zone. Can you see this zone here? It's simply supply and demand, because this one formed, this was a drop base. We had a pause around here, then a drop. Now this is a supply zone for me. So when during during the shift on Asian and London session, there's also, okay, I don't know if that's the time, but Maramob, you'll notice I send that one single setup a scalp between 10 and 11. Okay, there's always some volume that comes in the market. I don't know where they come from. I just noticed that thing, and that's what I use. Nothing much. I can't tell you that I have holy grail somewhere. No. Someone asked me why now. I'm like, yeah. Anytime it's around not 10, 11, 11, 12, around 11, 12, I expect to see it. Not every time I see it. Mostly on Mondays and Tuesdays, and most likely sometimes Wednesdays. Yeah, but as the week goes, I don't get to entries. Okay, so let's start and see what we had yesterday. We better do a recap of what we had yesterday. I shared some setups with you, very proper setups. Oh, uh, can you see I had demands on here? So this is already a bullish momentum. Can you see this? This is already giving vibes of buying. So let me see. Should I take this? I'll take this, and I'll target. I'll be targeting here. This is my final TP, but you know we are at war. So tight SL. What is my phone? This is hard JPY. I only trade gold. So when I start trading currencies, I feel guilty. Hard JPY. Where are you? Let me get rid of weird. I have some weird kind of thing here. Some weird pairs. So I add card JPY in my watch list, and look at it right now. Let me see. It is giving some bullish vibes, though quite not quite enough. But I'm gonna put the buy order, and I'll put a very tight sale. Let me risk some $10. $10 is 200 pips, 20 pips. Yeah, and I'll take my TP. Not so much risk reward ratio of, I'm risking 20 pips to gain 50. It's not bad. It's not bad. Yep, I have that order up and running. I have that order up and running. Uh-huh. Uh this is CHFJPY. I'd like to see you here, baby. I want you here. I want you here. So I'll put a buy order. I'm risking my money for currencies. This is Chef DPY. Someone gave us this pair. It's not something I do, but I just like looking at it. So this one I have to put a buy limit around what price is this? 178, 710. 178, 710. Yep. Then I'll have a tight SL of 20 pips. Wow, it's giving me a lot of pips. 50. Okay, I'll do 50. It's not so much, but I want to risk $20 only. So $20 is actually 42 pips. 42 pips. 40 pips, yeah. My TP has to be quite small. Oh, 100 pips. I don't want 173. I want just 100. Where is 100 pips here? TP and SL set. Yeah, let's go. I know some of you are surprised. Can you also help me confirm sales on AUD Right now we are going there. We'll be there in a minute. So this is NZD card, and my supply zone just was just broken. But I'm seeing another supply zone up here. The supply zone. Now let me check what other traders are doing. You're looking at which way? I've already forgotten. NZD card. Okay. NZD card. I'm refreshing my first bull, and I want to check my order book. I want to check my currency strength. So I'm refreshing them. Also, let me refresh FX Street. We won't be here for long. I wanna run somewhere. Unajua kesho we're not going to do anything. So I have to finish all the business of the week today and go out. My FX Blue is not refreshing. Uh, we're looking at NZD card. You can see card is stronger than NZD. So that means it should be selling. That's long term. Medium term, card stronger than NZD. That means it should be selling. Term, NZD is stronger than card. So it's buying on short term. So literally, I want it to buy to this point here. Okay. So let me see. Uh, I won't allow my limits to stay for too long. Okay, my limits are only valid for 48 to 72 hours. So, and the big card, I believe, from what you've seen from Forex Factor, FX Blue, is this. Short term, it should be buying. Then medium term, it should be selling. And long term, it should be selling. So when I come to my charts, I'll want to sell from here. Already you can see sellers want to get into the market, but I want it here. This is the best place for me to sell. So let me see. I've put it at 82,640, and my sell will be automatically chosen by the MT5. SL in any pair, I'm not choosing anything different. And TP. So my SL is a risk of 38 pips. That is 19.69 USD. Let me take it to $20. 20, yeah. Ah, this is not what we call gambling. Like, tell me why I'm trading pairs I don't. But anyway, you should trust your setups. So it's either a sell or TP. Now my sell limit, okay, I'll share those. My sell limit is around 0.822639. Yeah, it's around there. I only have one trade running, that is DPY, and at a loss of $1 only. And I have two positions, two two limits, two sell orders. No, one buy limit, one sell limit. Now let's check this pair. Oh, it's at our supply zone. Now, FX blue taken buyer is my full. Okay, my network is slow. I guess the government is doing that thing. So kindly understand where they are going to slow our network so that we can't share information. It happens anytime we have maandamano plan. Yeah, so I guess it's time to get some proper internet from Elon Musk. Now, I was looking at what pair AUD USD. So long term, AUD USD is stronger than USD, so that's buying. Medium term, Australian dollar stronger than US dollar, so that's a buy. Short term, Australian dollar stronger than US dollar, so you're gonna look for bull buys. Here we had some sales because of this. We were expecting some sales because of these supply zones, but now it's telling us to look for buys. Now this is where we get skeptical about. Oh, we still have these zones. Sometimes you get worried. Your setup, your sentiment is telling you buy. This one is telling you sell. Okay, but me when I get to that point, I just stop looking at it. So this is what I'm looking at right now. So you can see 52% buying, 48% selling. So for me, that's 50-50. That's risky. That's really risky. Yeah, that's risky. I like to see good numbers. Good numbers like 70, 27, 74, 25, 73, 26. I like such numbers. Okay. 72, 27. I like such numbers. 19, 80. Those are numbers. Oh, wait. Can you see Chef GPY only 19% or 20% are buying, the rest are selling, and I had a buy limit. Where is Chef GPY? This one, this one. It's already giving. Okay, we are waiting for it here, and okay, I'm not showing you. Let me show you. This one. We supposed to be buying. Only a few people are buying, so I will also be waiting for a buy on Chef GPY because it's now valid. Already price is behaving as if it doesn't want to go to our nini. It doesn't want to go to our buy limit, but let's wait and see. So Audi USD, I don't know what to do. You can see here it's 50-50. Okay, it's 50-50. And on our currency strength, it's also giving some weird vibes. Looking, it's saying we should be bullish, and on our chart we have a supply zone. Uh, so literally here I'm 50-50 about this. But if I stick to just my supply and demand, it means I should be selling. But now you can't be selling while other things are saying otherwise. So for me, I'll choose to bail out. I'm sorry, Alice, on that one. I choose okay, yeah. For me, yeah, it's true. I would like to see a sell because of the book. You say I have a supply zone, but other things are saying otherwise. So sorry, Mama. Kindly understand. Okay, now we check by USD JPY. By the way, why is USD JPY not behaving? Where are you? Where are you, you boy? Something I won't even manage to trade is oil. USD card. USD card. USD card. Kindly, can you fall back to this point so that we can buy, please? We're looking for UJ. Where is UJ? Where is UJ? Where is UJ? Oh, up here. So yeah, the UJ buy was very valid. By the I never checked anything else. Let me check from these places here. UJ short term JPY stronger than USD. That's short term. That means if JPY is strong, it's supposed to be selling. Short term is gonna be a sell. Hello, good morning. Niambie. Nani, I had to sleep. Right now tuko kwa session. You're not even around. Uh-huh. I'm good. Actually, you're doing the market session right now. Yeah, right now. Uh, Okay, okay. You'll find the menu on YouTube. Yeah, yeah. Okay. I see. We were looking at UG. Let's see what we have on UG. So, short term, we agreed it's saying sell because USD is weaker than JPY. Medium term, the same. USD is still stronger than JPY. No, JPY is still stronger than USD. So that's again another sell. Long term, it's oh, they're all the same. Okay, if they're all the same, now we have to look at something else. What are traders doing? What are traders doing? 9% and 40% or 60, 59 and 41, 59 and 41. That's likely 60-40. So less people are actually selling, more people are buying. Now, it's because we have supplies of which that's also an obvious. Mm, no, this is giving me other vibes. We were looking for bullish momentum, but a lot of people are actually buying. May hate when I'm buying with a lot. But let's look at something else. Let's look at something else. We have access to data. We have access to data. I don't want to check this. I want to check JPY. And where is USD? Fine, where is USD? There's no USD. Is that okay? Mm, oh, we're still at negatives. That's according to last Friday. People are offloading, but this graph is doing this thing. Okay. So commercials are actually increasing their buys on JPY. Then we also add gold. They're reducing. So gold they're selling. No, we should not buy gold. Okay. I wish we had USD here. Where's JPY here? Long positions, short position. This thing is only updated on Fridays. Um, yeah, it's only updated on Fridays. So unless the data is given by them, although these days they update it on Mondays. Is it Mondays? Let me see. Yeah, it's supposed to be there on Monday. So today they have not released anything. I guess they'll release, but JPY, the graph is going up. Non-commercial positions, let's see. They are selling. Oh, so you can see commercial positions of those big companies, they are selling gold and buying JPY. Alafu on non-commercial, the opposite. They are buying they are buying gold and selling JPY. That's weird how they do it. How they are doing opposite things. Yeah, so it's increasing. Though JPY is kind of maintaining. Okay, USD JPY we have done too much. Nini. Still not changing. Still not changing. I will head to FX Streets and see if we have any news right now. Australian dollar strengthens as US dollar remains weaker. So for AUD USD you just buy. USD card forecast bearish outlook remains in play. USD card, why are we selling? Okay, I don't know. Australian dollars, well, the news, I'm looking at this, strengthen. So that's a buy for you. That's a buy for AUD USD. Gold price bears seem reluctant as weaker USD offset. Yeah, we are reluctant. I guess people are offsetting from gold. GG holds ascending triangle breakout. So you're looking to buy GJ. If you're looking to buy GJ, what are you going to do on USD? Okay, for my USD JPY, I had a buy, but I'm skeptical again. Why? Everything is saying otherwise. So maybe I'll let that pass. Maybe I'll let that pass. Whatever pair we're looking at, USD CHF. Uh-huh. It's also selling. You can look at it. Oh, we have a very nice zone here. It's a very big zone because it comes from here. Can you see this? That zone comes from there. So I believe you're going to have a buy again. I'm actually putting a buy limit on that. I'm gonna put a buy limit on USDC. I don't know. Remember any pair with the USD risky right now, so forgive me. Forgive me if we fail. Forgive me if we fail. Wait, why do you want to buy and the market is giving us selling issues? Now, we start from FX Blue. We see what is stronger than the other. Long term, CHF stronger than USD. That means it should be selling long term. Medium term, CHF stronger than USD. That means it should be selling. Short term, CHF stronger than USD. But forget about the bullish. We are selling, baby. We're selling. 79 are thinking of going buys. 79 people. Okay, yeah. Whatever you are saying, it's wrong. The one up there buying, we are selling. Yeah, I'm actually selling right now. Yeah, I'm selling. I've entered the and I put my SL 20 pips away. 20 pips away, 20 ways, 20 pips. And I don't have a TP. My TP is open. Yep. So, President Trump says what? We should be at least. Huh? Where is it? said on Tuesday that US interest rates should be at least 2 or 3 points lower, and Federal Reserve could hike them later if things stand negative. Ah, that's just Trump. That is just Trump. Income individual return for taxpayer acknowledge receipt of original return income tax. Oh, hope this guy filed nil returns for me. I just hope this guy filed nil returns. If you dare file returns zenye zinakaa funny. Okay, so let me tell you why I like this. You see, we are looking at USDCHF and most people are actually buying. And from what we are seeing also, uh, we are seeing some bullish momentum. This is daily time frame, so people are already starting to buy. Yet the day shows USDCHF is already selling. So that only means one thing. By the time tunafika hapa, tutakuwa tumekulia. Okay, and this zone is so big. Can you see this zone? 4, 5, and this zone is so big. So for now, me I'm sticking to the sales, of which I'm already in profits. Yes, I'm already $2 in profits. Actually, no, three, $3 and $4 in profits. Yep, on USDCHF, I've added one more trade so that there be three of them. How many trades do I have right now? One, two, three, four, five, six. I can only add one more trade, and I'm actually in profits. USDCHF is fully in profits. I have four trades on USDCHF, one trade on CAD JPY, which is on a loss, CHF JPY, which is also on a loss. Yeah, but generally, I'm only down $1. Yeah, I'm only down $1. Actually, less than a dollar. There's some volatility in the market. I like it. Can you see how the markets are? Can you see the numbers are changing so fast? And everything is red here. So if everything is red here, everything is red. Watch this. The only pair that is giving me losses is this one. This is one really, yeah. This one is the only pair that is giving me losses. Yep. And I remember I never went to look at what people are doing. So I believe I'm following like the majority. Let's see. What was I doing? I was buying. I'm sure many of them were buying. Told you. Here it is. Can you see why I hate being with? If I had looked at this, I couldn't be in that buy. Now see, now I close it because of a boo. Let me see if it's going for my SL. Yeah, it's going for my SL. It's going for my SL and I don't have to wait. Why should I wait? And I know. So I've closed at a negative of $7, but I know I'll recover because we are in a sell. Can you see? Cut GPY. I'm already in a sell and I'm putting my SL where my buy was and I don't put my TP. So cut JPY, I've just followed this, and this is why I've gotten out of that trade. It was a buy, and most retail traders are actually buying. Can you see here? So if they're buying me, I'm out. Yeah, and I took a sell, and guess what happened after I took a sell? Guess what happened? I'm in profits. Hi, Chef JPY. I'm in a buy. This buy here, and it's the only pair I have that is in losses. Only $2 though, just $2. The rest are in profits. USDCHF, CAD JPY, they're all in profits. I'm $12, I'm $13 up already as we are talking. I'm $13 up. Now look at this sentiment. This is gone. A lot of people saw this, I guess that's why it's doing its thing. I believe maybe it's gonna come up to here. So this one is gone. We are not here anymore. We're not on this trade. We actually, let me choose, look at uh, IMCA JPY. So we had sold at what price? 105. Is it 863? Yeah, 105, 863. What am I looking at? Yeah, 863. Want to be, I was sold there, and my SL is at 106070. I can literally put it there. Let me see what I can target. Ah, I can target this low. Yeah, I can target this low. So this is what I have. Guys, this is the trade I have. This is what I have. I still have this sell. I believe if you wanna risk it, it's up to you. It's up to you. Another sell and I have is USD sharp. My USD sharp. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame to quite easier. I have a sell from now what prices are these? Let me look at it. Where my really losses, where I was in profits and then no, I don't mind. Uh 0.81 and 24. It's actually around my zone. It's around my entry. Yeah. And my stop loss is at 81324. This is actually my $20 loss if I hit the loss. And on my TP, I should target something towards time frame. Let's see. We have to be precise with this zone now. I've used this as a basing candle, and I'd like to drop this here to the low of that week. Yeah. So my TP will be around. I'll be targeting that. This is a risk reward ratio of I think 1 to 2, not much, not much. So let's see what's gonna happen. What other pair are we looking at? We also look at this here chart. Yeah, I've been there. I'm here. I'm in this cell. I want it here. It's kind of looking like I'm chasing. By the way, these are chasing vibes. I don't trade currencies. So if right now I lose, I'll be losing $100. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $120. If everything I've taken goes out in a loss, I can take only one more trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I can only take one more trade right now. I can't take more than 7 trades. Now, this one trade I can't risk. What other pair do you want us to look at? Number one, let's begin here. If you're doing analysis the same way I do, you start with FX Blue. Do you look at FX Blue? Where's my book? Let me confirm. You start with First Bull and look at these sentiments. Okay, look at this market sentiment. What are people doing? Are they buying? Are they selling? Whatever they are doing. Okay, come here, look at this, do that. for USD. USD, a lot of people are selling, yet a few people are buying. Let's see what it is doing. Yes, it's even green in color. What are people selling? Look at this. Look at these. People are selling what? What are people selling? Jesus. What are people selling? If you only had an opportunity to enter again, I could have entered this buy. Like, what are people selling? People are weird. That's being weird. Another demand zone. Like, what are people selling? For in an bow, nikiona people are doing the opposite, but it's good. At least as long as they're doing the opposite, we are earning higher. You come here, look at this sentiment, okay? Understand this green is the buyers, this red is the sellers. GBP GBP card. You can see only 10% are buying. Let's go to GBP card. Damn, today I might gamble. Where's GBP card? Look at the numbers. Like GBP card, 10% are buying, the rest are selling. I want to show you on the numbers. Then someone will start saying Forex is scam. CGE market is being manipulated. Where is the market being manipulated right now? Where is the market being manipulated? Like it's very much evident. The temptation of looking for buys on GBP card. I'm not a bit seen. Like look at this market. It's buying, selling. The market does, you just don't do the right thing. Like this one is giving you everything. You come here, check whatever buyers and sellers are doing. Then you go to FX Blue, look at currency strength, look at short term, medium term. Short term inasema buy. I know you do you know how to do that? I know if you trade news you definitely know how to do that. If short term inasema buy even if long term says sellers because we are day traders, not long term traders. And we are not looking to stay in the market for the whole day, although sometimes our trades runs for a whole week. It's good for us. So unaangalia mali votes ni mingi kama 2 against 1 ama 3, not usichukue long time imesema buy huko kwingine ni sell, then you take the buy unless your account is big, it's gonna buy later on anyway. Okay, so that's literally it. When you after you go to currency strength, now you come to after you've gone to this one currency strength, after you're done with this, now you go to your trading thing. Now for those supply and demand, you look for yeah things like that altogether. And also, hey, look at this sale. Wow, Goldie. I was not in that sale. Reason being, I don't know what to sell or what to buy. I don't know. I didn't know. But as you can see, it is selling. And let's go to FX Street and see news on gold. Price bears seem reluctant. Yeah. How do bears seem reluctant and it's selling? Anyway, wacha iendelee kusell. It's on another demand zone. I don't know how old this demand zone is, but haijawahi guzwa. You can see the demand zone haijawahi guzwa. So price just did hit that demand zone. Do you have another one? Price is also outside this flag. So probably what we could be waiting for is to see price getting out of this zone, retesting, then maybe that's what we're expecting. But now let's go to FX Blue. I've showed you the procedure of what you're supposed to be doing. Let me go to 1 minute time frame on my gold and see if I get some scalping. Yeah, I've taken a scalp sell in a hit 5 pips amount. Where is gold? Yeah, I'm in profits already. Hey, in a change haraka, damn. Okay, wacha achana na gold iendelee kusell. So gold, nice. I'm in profits. I will take in a scalp sell, and I'm thinking of all. Look at this one. All these people already buying. This one's already selling. Mm-hmm. Uh, let's go to order book. Let's see if it is selling. How far will the sell go? Okay, this is how we find out. We look at these things. Can you see this? Tunaangalia now the longest buy is here. The biggest buy limit is around 33.25. Where are we right now on gold? 25, 33.25. Oh, now that's the biggest buy limit. We are here. You can see if you look at gold right now, that buy limit is activated right now, and I'm out. Imenipea 0.77. Imenipea 0.77. I like it. Now this is the biggest buy limit, and it was just triggered. Yeah, it was just triggered, and that's why I like looking at these. You see, you look at these things. The longest one iko wapi? Now we'll be targeting 33.60 something. Okay, because this by limit is around 33.25. Are we together? So yeah, it's as simple as that. Go to FX Blue, go to this thing, check out what's happening, then come back to the charts, look at what's happening. On gold, most likely you come look at this here. It's not updated yet. Sometimes it's behind, but you can always look at the charts and see whatever is happening. And you may refresh corner if we're gonna catch something. So I took a sell and it gave me 0.77. You know I like number 7. So I'm satisfied with that. It's number 7. It's just wow, look at what gold just did. Ah, look at that buy. It was very heavy. This one here. Now it will target. It will go. It's going. It's going. It's going. If we saw that Aleph could have told you to take a buy, though it's coming back to 33.25. So if you wanna risk that buy, it's up to you. I'm looking at it. Let me show you. I'm looking at it from the charts. You can see this one scalping and forgot about buying. This zone now it's coming for a retest. I'd like to see a retest. I'd like to see a retest. I'd really like to see a retest. Let me go to the time frame I use for entering trades. Can you see here? Right now, if you take a buy, you can't take target so mbali sana. Just target here. Yeah. No, this place is here. Yeah. So it's coming back to 33.25. It's coming back for 33.25, and this is where I'd like to take a single buy. I'd like to take a buy from. Hey, my other pairs are actually in profits. USD shares Chef and Cat JPY were actually very much in profits. Buy number one activated. Where is buy number two? Where is buy number two? Buy number two. Come down. Trumka kidogo. Give me a 30, 33.25. Go. Come. Nice. I've taken another buy on gold. I'm risking 20 pips to gain 40 pips. Yeah. So that's what I have. I have three trades on gold buy. One is already in profit. One is already in profits. Not one, all. Damn, girl, damn. Damn. Everything is already in profit. So everything is in profit. I'm just looking at it, nothing much. I'm setting my SL and my TPs. You have to set them, like you have to. We all know that. Yeah, my SL is set. Now I've risked $60 to get, I think, 180 or $200. Yeah, so we are done there. Let's see what we have. The look on a small loss. It's just I have a small loss, and I'll still be sticking to FX Blue, not FX Blue, Fast Bull to keep on checking and things are. As I also wait for my scalping moment to get my knee. As soon as they all get into profits, I'll set BE. And setting BE is risky because when I'm setting it with BE and then I don't know why. When I'm setting it with BE, then it's on your neck. Let me continue setting. I'm moving my SL due, and now I'm in profits, and I go to 1 minute time frame and set BE ASAP. Let me get this thing out of my screen and distract me. Yep, we're in profits, baby. We're in profits. 1 minute time frame. Nimeset BE alafu inataka kuguzwa. Imetola. What the? Imetola three of my buys. Okay. It's still okay. Those are $3. Ah, oh wow. So imetoa alafu ikaanguka chini. Okay, I'm safe. That's how safe I am. Imetoa alafu ikaanguka. Thank you. I'm safe. I'm no longer in that buy. But let me see. This is really playing. Imetoa tu. Ime close all my buys. But it's well and good. Ningekuwa in so much losses right now. Ningekuwa in losses. Uh, Let me set all other pairs. Let me set BE on all the other pairs. Sitaki to lose anything. Because I love gold. Hey, is this HF is really selling? It's really giving some good vibes. CHF JPY is not giving me money. But if I show you what is this HF is doing, damn, inaanguka. Wait, what is the XY doing? If this is what is happening, where's the XY? Where's the XY? Yeah, the XY is falling. So gold should be buying. What should be buying? I don't want to lose my profits on CHF, so let me just put everything else. Don't want to lose anything. The power of using a good having a good lot size is that you only need a few pips to be in profits. Okay, very small number of pips to be in profits. Hey, kumbe gold ilinitoa with good reasons. Imagine imenitoa alafu ikaanguka. Thank you gold, thanks to my risk management. Nilikuwa nalia sahi, I could be crying. But anyway, DXY is going down. So if DXY is going down, we are thinking of buying gold. Altogether, if DXY is going down, we are thinking of buying gold. Yeah, what time is it? Wow, 9:25, guys. Within the next 10 minutes, you'll allow me to leave the market, cause to leave. Okay, to end the session, I have to run somewhere. So my vacation is holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. Usiku today at night, gold left a gap around. Um, what time was it? Oh, this was yesterday. So let me see. What time was it? This is today. Is this also today? Yeah. So the market, you see, we have an imbalance here. Smaller time frame. Okay. On my chart, I have an imbalance around. What time was it? 1 a.m. Here, there's some imbalance somewhere here. So I don't know. Maybe it's just my chart. But anyway, for gold, this was where the buy limits are. We go to first ball by limit of 23, 33, 25. Then we go to market sentiment. So gold, we have less sellers than buyers. So if you have less sellers than buyers, that means I was very okay to be left out by the buy. So I'm safe. I'm really safe on gold. And I'm right now the profits I have is $17, $18. I have $18, and on my other side, I've lost $12. Yeah, in total. After nime close ile card GPY, and after I closed the first sales za gold zile zenye zilitoka. So yeah, so I've balanced. Oh, I'm actually $21 in profit. Gold is selling. You can see here, many people are buying, and gold is behaving like it's gonna sell. But kindly take care of your account. You can trade other pairs. You've seen me trading other pairs, right? Like right now, if you took a card JPY sell, you're in profits. Yeah. If you took NZD card, you are in a -$1, not even less. Mine is -$1 kwa sababu I'm using a very big lot size, so that means it's supposed to be less. Yeah. So you guys can enjoy. Any question? Any question? Any question? I've told you. Let me repeat this process. Let me repeat this process. You come here to FX Blue. You come to FX Blue. Look at the buyers and sellers. Write down the pairs. The second thing you do, come here. Oh, gold is super weak. Damn. Come here. Look at this medium term. Look at these things all together. Look at what is stronger than the hour. Okay. Up to that point, currency strength. Then after currency strength, now you come back to trading view. Trading view. Look for zones here. Start looking for what you've been studying. Look for zones here. Okay. This zone is already taken out. Gold is weak. Gold is weaker than USD, so we're selling. We're still selling. You will enter when we get entry. But where we buying while others are buying. So we stick to the sell until they start selling. Now we start buying. Come here. Look at this. Okay. Now after you've gotten your zones, kuja hapa again to FX blue. FX nini? No, first bull. Come to order block. Come to order block. Okay, once you're on a block, then guys, I'm in profits. I can even close the day. Come to order book. Okay, una choose pay. Unaangalia kama EURUSD. Sawa, you look at the longest week, the longest candlestick ndo hii. Unaweka tu mouse yako hapo, ama una tap tu, unaweza iguza kama you're using your phone. You can just tap it and look at it. These are buy limit 0.85%. Against it is a 0.59, meaning this one is stronger than that one. So here you look kama zone yako inaingiana na hii price, ama you just write down this price. Always write down that price in case of anything. Just write down these big prices. Okay. The blue hapa chini ndio imekuandikia buy stop ni color green, buy limit color blue, sell limit color red, sell stop color yellow. You can use those things. The longest buy limit you have right now, price of EURUSD is at 116, 134. So it's most likely somewhere up here. So meaning it's by limit, they might be already zinaweza kuwa taken out. What do you do when you see that? You confirm, you're just confirming if your order and the buy limits is zinaingiana. Kama your zone, your supply zone or your demand zone is aligning with this, it means you have more chances actually. These are just factors of confluences. I'm not saying they're always correct. Okay? These are just normal factors of confluences. Something to add to your trading so that you can enjoy. Are we together? After that, always wait for confirmation. Use proper risk management. Don't risk more than you can afford. And together, don't risk more than you can afford. Don't use bigger lot size. Kitakuramba bure. Tumia lot size na adabu. Okay. Choose a lot size that suits you. Don't choose a lot size that suits us. Usitufurahishe na lot size alafu kikurambe. So, right now, I'm waiting for gold to relax. Then we can look for other entries. Meanwhile, I'll beg to leave. Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow, before we go to Mandamano, we'll do a session. Okay, we'll have to do a session first, and